opportunity reading for pile 1. Very nice cards. So we'll start with the sun. The sun comes with a lot of hope, a lot of new opportunities, a lot of innocent beginnings. So if you're going to be starting a new job, or if you're waiting for money from a source that you had invested in, it could be an FD, it could be a mutual fund, and this is the first time you're going to reap the benefits. So this is going to bring a lot of love and a lot of hope and excitement in that sense. I also sense this could mean a new job for someone. It could also symbolize a new business if you're an entrepreneur and you are waiting to take your business to the next level, or you want to invest. This card says that you must. However, along with the sun comes this card which says that you're not feeling very fulfilled emotionally. However, you're also not feeling very, so there is more that you're seeking. It's a beautiful card. It tells you to go inwards to understand what you're going through. It also symbolizes that you have to figure out your relationship with money. What does money mean for you? How closely do you hold it to your heart? How casual are you with it, or how serious? So money has a very fluid energy. It needs to come in, it needs to go out. Money or anything that symbolizes livelihood for us, or anything that's going to emphasize how we're going to live our lives. So it has to be fluid. You shouldn't hold it too close, and you shouldn't be very casual about it. Bring balance. So this card is going to remind you to go inwards. It's a positive card because it brings a lot of clarity. You understand what it is that you want, और कौन सी तरफ पे आप चल रहे हो लाइफ में. तो I feel it's a great card in that sense. Reaffirming this card is the surrender card. So many times हम लोग सब कुछ कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करते हैं. We want things in a certain way. We want to do things. We want people to behave like how it'll benefit our plans. Forget benefit. How it's going to be convenient. So, and since this reading is focused on abundance and opportunities and finance, अगर आप बहुत कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो अपने फाइनेंसेस को और उतना ही वो जा रहा है, surrender. You will understand how you can plan better. You will understand where you should invest. Just surrender to the energy. Don't try and control it. There's very little we can control in life if you sit down and think about it. Some would say that you can't control anything, but if that's too extreme, then there's very little. So appreciate this. Acknowledge that sometimes when we surrender, a lot of things open up. अगर कोई नया opportunity है जो आप देख ही नहीं पा रहे हो क्योंकि आप इतना कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, तो surrender करो इस situation को. अगर you have somebody needs to pay you back money, you are waiting for a promotion, you're waiting for an appraisal, and nothing is happening, and you're trying every day to the best of your capacity. Just take a break, surrender to the situation. You will get clarity. You will understand what it is that you need to learn. Again, so I love how the oracle, the Krishna consciousness cards and the oracle cards are so in sync. So this card tells us that you have to be patient. You have to just do the deed and wait. Karam kar, phal ki ichha na kar. This is a beautiful card that reminds us. And recently I've come to believe how true this statement is, because it absolves you of the result. So just do your work, go through life every day, and be patient with your efforts. Let them boil, let them nurture. Aram se it'll happen, and I feel that it's going to happen. So if you've been feeling a little disturbed about your finances, slowly the energy is changing. Just there are a few lessons that need to be learned for pile 1, and then things are going to get better. I also think that there's going to be a change of place. This could mean a new house, this could mean a new job, it could mean a new city in the same job, it could mean a lot of things. However, the sense that I'm getting is the change is going to be in your job. So if you're waiting for a job opportunity in another city, if you want to apply to a job in another city, then this is a great time. For those who are if there's going to be a change of residence. It could also symbolize new opportunities coming in your financial, in your opportunities, in your career. So always, I love change, so it's a great card. And another card, and I'm so, sometimes I still get surprised. So surrender, surrender. And this card is also symbolizing a change of place for me. There's a journey, so that's why I emphasized on changing your city. So there's a journey coming up, but first we have to surrender, we have to be patient, we have to give in the hard work and just disconnect, and then let the universe take its shape. So another card that comes up that I really like is the uncovering treasure. So this treasure for me symbolizes so much. You know, when we understand the value of money, we also understand the value of intangible resources, our skills, our education, our personality. So it's not just the money in your life. You're also throughout life, throughout every day, we use our skills, we use our personality to interact with people, to interact with the outside world. That is also something that is treasurable. So if you've been learning a new skill in the recent few months, and this is the time you're going to understand how valuable it is, how much it's going to help you to move forward in your career, to move forward in your business, or whatever it is that you are focusing on. And this is a really nice card. So that's it for pile 1. Hi, this reading is for pile 2, and we're going to be talking about abundance, opportunities, career and money. So pile 2, this is the last card in the tarot, or the major arcana, and this card symbolizes that all your struggles and challenges that you faced up till now related to money or finance is coming to an end, or already has reached an end. Those challenges you won't be facing in the same intensity, or even sometimes we have repeated patterns. We keep facing the same sort of challenge over and over again, whether it's a job where you have a boss who doesn't appreciate you, or whether it's a job which does not pay you, and constantly you keep coming back to this situation where even when things start well, you find that in a few years or in a few months you're back to the same situation. So those patterns are always there to teach us something. So that lesson has been learned, or you're in the process of learning it, you're understanding that, okay, this is what I had to figure out, this is what I had to learn, and to move to the next step. So what a beautiful card, and what a great way to start this reading. So the World card for pile 2, and new opportunities obviously are going to make their way because the cycle has ended, and a new beginning is going to start. Also reaffirming this is this tarot card, which is Ace of Swords. There's going to be a breakthrough. It's almost going to be as though a fog has lifted. You're going to get new inspiration, new ideas. You could also be starting a new business. So sometimes we all secretly want to do something other than our 9-to-5 jobs, other than our day jobs, which we are not very confident about. Circumstances don't allow us, but we all have this secret passion if you're not obviously still following it. So this is you're going to get a lot of new ideas, a lot of new inspiration about this. And since your challenges have ended, this also gives you hope that, okay, maybe now I can do this, maybe now I can start something new, or maybe this is the great time to collaborate and to start this idea that I've had for such a long time. So this is going to bring a lot of clarity. It's going to bring a lot of inspiration and a great time to plan also. If you want to plan for a business, if you want to plan for a new job, it's a great time to do that. Another card that symbolizes that reaffirms the World card is the Krishna consciousness card, which is the end. So I like when cycles come to an end, when there are new beginnings, because there was a transformation that took place, there was a journey that you went through, there were learnings, and now those learnings are coming to an end. The fruition or the lessons are going to become more clear. So when we are in the journey, sometimes we are not able to grasp what we learned, But once it's over, once the turmoil or the trauma is over, then you realize, and that realization is huge. So the end tells you that now is the time that you can prepare and expect great beginnings, new beginnings, from armed with all the lessons that you have learned through your struggles. Now you're ready to face everything. So another, I like how pile 2 is very, ready. Your energy is so ready for the next phase, for the next chapter, that it's also making me so happy to read these cards. So go with the flow. And if any of the last lessons have taught you anything, you know how important this is. So don't fight, don't resist, let things happen. If it's a new idea, don't let the doubts cloud your mind. Do your planning, do your research, be confident, but also be positive. So there is going to be things that you maybe a month back or 6 months back you did not expect to find yourself here, financially or opportunity wise. But now that you are here, so make the best use of this and let things happen. If you're meeting new people who are going to help you with your business, or who have collaboration opportunities for you, or who have a new job for you, who have anything related to money, anything related to practical matters, anything that you feel can boost your status and can bring you fame or can take you closer to your purpose, a purpose that you've always felt that you want to work on. So go with the flow. We always do your research, always follow your instinct, but also just be a little more open to letting things happen in a certain way, even though it may not be according to your plan. Maybe it's not A, B, C, but it's A and then suddenly C. So let that happen, because wo hoga and you might as well just be ready for it. Again, trust that there is a divine plan, trust that there's a bigger plan. If you take 5 minutes and look back, maybe to the last 2-3 years, it has been so surprising and unpredictable for all of us. Who had thought of this? Nobody. So trust that there's a bigger plan. Trust that सब कुछ हो रहा है एक pattern से हो रहा है. You're doing your best. So nobody is asking you to be complacent. Just do your deed with a lot more faith in yourself, with a lot more belief in yourself, and then see what's going to unfold for you. And there's going to be a lot of help coming in. This is what I felt in this card also. You're going to be meeting people who are going to give you new opportunities, who are going to make things possible for you. So I feel there's going to be a lot of collaboration. So if any of you are working in such a field where there's going to be collaboration, where you need partnership, maybe it could be hospitality, where you're partnering with someone for events, or maybe it could be a creative collaboration. So you'll be meeting people who you haven't met before with this intention. So the context of all your conversations are going to change. You will realize that even social acquaintances are giving you new ideas, and you will see just so much inspiration and ideas in every conversation and every gathering. So it's always great. This is also a time which makes complete sense, because if you're going to be following your heart, you're going to take on a new passion, or you're going to enter a job which is something that you always wanted to do, it's going to make you feel a little, lost, or you're going to be like, oh, I did not think of this. But this card is going to make you try so many new things. The experiences are going to be so great. And when you're getting financial stability along with it, it's going to be a holistic experience for you. So pile 2, I feel that a lot of things are coming to an end. A lot of new beginnings are going to take shape. These new beginnings might be different than what you expected. तो जो सोचा था शायद वो नहीं है, पर जो है वो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा आपके लिए. तो keep patience, keep the faith. And should you have any other questions, you can DM me. We can do a personal session. But till then, thank you for watching, and I hope you had a great reading.